So based on popular demand, I've decided to make this video. I was getting comments like this one on the screen requesting for me to show how to create a UK TikTok account, which I've decided to do on this video. You know, I would normally ask you guys to ask Daniel any question on the comment section, as this channel's name is Ask Daniel Fix. So you can simply ask me any question on the comment section and I'm going to reply you or create a video for you. So looking right here on the screen is my UK TikTok account, which I'm going to be showing you right here on this video how I actually did it. So do you know you can actually set up a UK TikTok account right inside your standard TikTok mobile app without using any browse feature or using any VPN or using any expensive foreign SIM card or any lagging VPN. It all comes down to how you can actually configure your fresh Gmail and your specific device settings. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you the step-by-step setup process to successfully open a UK TikTok account anywhere in the world. So just a quick reminder, this tutorial is for educational purpose and you need to follow every single settings precisely that I'm going to be showing you on this video in order for you to be able to create an account that aligns perfectly with UK region. So let's get right into this video. So looking right here on the screen, you can see my device. You can see that this is a UK account. You can see creator reward program right here, and also going right here as well, let's simply go to our profile and click on this three-line icon at the top right corner. Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy. This is actually to confirm to you that I was able to create it. So clicking on account info like this, you'd be able to see that the account region right here is United K. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually create a UK TikTok account without VPN or SIM card. So let's simply go ahead and log out from this account in order to create a new account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on log out like this. Let's simply go ahead and click on switch account since we've logged out, and click on add another account, and then go ahead and click on sign up. You can see that at the bottom of your screen. So once you do that, it is going to direct you to this page. So if at this point you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, you need to hit it at this point, and also like this video. So looking right here, this is where the video actually gets interesting. You need to pay attention right here. So looking right here, you can see sign up for TikTok. As you can see, we are doing this in the TikTok app. So looking right here, you can see where it says continue with Gmail. Now before you click on that, looking right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says by continuing with the account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service. You can actually see any country right there depending on your current region or depending on where the TikTok app think you are currently located on. So you just need to go ahead and click on that country that you are seeing right there. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see this page here which says select country or region. So once you do that, you need to go ahead and search for the region which you want to create an account on. So since we are creating a UK account, you can actually go ahead and search for United States if you want to create a United States account. Or you can simply go ahead and click on United Kingdom, as United Kingdom seems to be one of the best foreign TikTok accounts. So once you do that, looking right here at the bottom of your screen, you can see that the account here is now changed to United Kingdom. So looking here on the screen, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on continue with Gmail, or you can simply go ahead and click on continue with Google, or any way you want to actually log in with. Once you've actually changed that region like this, then go ahead and click on continue with Google like this. So I'm going to click on continue with Google and select the Gmail account I want to use for creating this new UK TikTok account. So once you do that, they are going to ask you to input your birth date. So you need to go ahead and scroll and change your birth date, input your correct birth date, and then go ahead and click on next. So right here, looking right here, you can see add number. You don't need to add your number as this is a foreign account, but if you are located in United Kingdom, you can simply go ahead and add your United Kingdom number. But here, I'm going to go ahead and click on skip. So looking right here, it says create nickname. You can actually add the name you want to use for your TikTok account right here. So I'm going to leave it at this name and then go ahead and click on continue like this. Once you do that, you've been able to create your UK account, and this is how you can actually create UK or US accounts. So going back to your profile like this, you can see that this is our account. So in order for you to be able to confirm that this is a UK account, you can simply go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy, scroll and click on account like this. Then go ahead and click on account information, and you'll be able to see the account region here as United Kingdom. So going back right here as well, and going to the 3-line icon, if you click on TikTok Studio like this and click on confirm, so if you scroll down gently like this, let me go ahead and expand this monetization section like this. Looking right here, you can see creator reward program, you can see creator marketplace, you can see work with artists. These are the features that you can use on your UK TikTok account. Looking right here, you can see the creator reward program, creator marketplace, work with artists, gaming incentive program, and all that. This monetization feature is not available on all accounts, especially for some regions that are not UK, Canada, France, and the rest. So if you go back right here, we've been able to see that we now have the monetization feature, and also the country region is now on UK. But this is what you need to take note of in order to use this UK account for a very long time. You need to note that you don't need to add your local phone number to this account, and you need to warm this account for at least 2 to 3 days before you start posting. After the creation of the account, you need to wait for at least 2 to 3 days before you start posting on the account. And also, the content on which you choose to start posting on this account should actually appeal globally. You should be able to be a content that everyone in the world would be able to understand and be able to like, not just the type of content that appeals to a specific region. So these are the things you need to note about the UK or US account. Now lastly, I need to also add this disclaimer as well, that this video is for educational purpose and informational purpose only. Why this method is legal and uses standard browser setup features, creating an account outside your physical region may actually go against TikTok terms of service. TikTok frequently updates its algorithm, and there is always a minor risk of account restriction or shadow bans. So you can actually proceed on this at your own discretion and follow the steps carefully in order to be able to monetize this your UK account. So with that being said, we've come to the very end of this video. So for this person that actually requested for this video, hope I've answered your question and also the question of everyone that also want this video. So hit the like button at this point, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share this video with your friends. You can also make money from this as well. See you in the next video. Go ahead and enjoy. You can actually make money from this as well. See you in the next one. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.